If you're looking for the best new Breitling watches based on specifications, you're in the right place. All the watches buying links are given in the video description. Number 9. Brightling Super A B04 Chronograph GMT 46 MOSQUITO. Dial aperture, case material, stainless steel, case back screwed in, sapphire crystal, water resistance 10 bars, bezel bidirectional ratcheted, crown screw locked, 2 gaskets, crystal sapphire, dimensions, product weight approximately 140 grams, watch head weight approximately 98.2 grams, diameter 46 millimeters, thickness 15.9 millimeters, height 51.5 millimeters, lug width 24 millimeters, strap material calfskin leather, strap color brown, strap type straight, lug 24/20 millimeters, buckle material stainless steel, buckle type folding clasp, buckle size 20 millimeters. Number 8. Brightling Superocean Automatic 44 A17376211 L2S1. Bezel unidirectional ratcheted, crown screw locked, 2 gaskets, crystal cambered sapphire, glare proofed both sides. Dimensions, product weight 141 grams, watch head weight 90.5 grams, diameter 44 millimeters, thickness 12.6 millimeters, height 50.5 millimeters, lug width 22 millimeters. Strap material rubber, strap color black, strap type straight lug 22/18 millimeters, buckle material stainless steel, buckle type folding clasp, buckle size 18 millimeters. Number 7. Breitling Superocean Kelly Slater Limited Edition A173751A101S1. Movement, self-winding mechanical, power reserve, approximately 38 hours, vibration, 28,800 VPH, joules, 26 joules, case material, stainless steel, case back, screwed in, water resistance, 300 meters, 1,000 feet, bezel unidirectional, ratcheted, crown screw locked, 2 gaskets, crystal cambered sapphire, glare proofed both sides. Dimensions, product weight approximately 133 grams, watch head weight approximately 81.7 grams, diameter 42 millimeters, thickness 12.5 millimeters, height 47.7 millimeters, lug width 22 millimeters, strap material rubber, strap color green, strap type straight, lug 22/18 millimeters, buckle material stainless steel, buckle type folding clasp, buckle size 18 millimeters. Number 6. Breitling Super Chronomat 38 R17356531G1S1. Screwed in, water resistance 10 bars, bezel unidirectional, ratcheted, crown non-screw locked, 2 gaskets, crystal, convex sapphire crystal, glare proofed both sides. Dimensions, product weight 120.5 grams, watch head weight 98.8 grams, diameter 38 millimeters, thickness 11.8 millimeters, height 45.4 millimeters, lug width 20 millimeters, strap material rubber, white strap, type straight lug 20/18 millimeters, buckle material small scale traceable gold, buckle type tang type, buckle size 18 millimeters. Number 5. Breitling Chronomat Automatic GMT 40 A32398101 A1A1. Self-winding mechanical, 2NF time zone 24 hour, power reserve approximately 42 hours, vibration 28,800 VPH, joule 21 joules, calendar, dial aperture, Case material, stainless steel. Case back screwed in. Water resistance, 200 meters, 660 feet. Bezel, unidirectional ratcheted rotating bezel. Crown screw locked. 2 gaskets. Crystal, cambered sapphire. Glare-proofed both sides. Dimensions, product weight, approximately 153 grams. Watch head weight, approximately 75.2 grams. Diameter, 40 millimeters. Thickness, 11.7 millimeters. Height, 47.4 millimeters. Lug width, 20 millimeters. Strap material, stainless steel. Strap color, metal bracelet. Strap type, straight. Lug 20/18 millimeters. Number 4. Breitling Navitimer Automatic 41 Limited Edition A17326-3A1G1P1. Water resistance, 3 bars. Bezel, bidirectional slide rule. Crown, non-screw locked. 2 gaskets. Crystal camber sapphire. Glare-proofed both sides. Dimensions, product weight, approximately 73 grams. Watch head weight, approximately 60.6 grams. Diameter, 41 millimeters. Thickness, 10 millimeters. Height, 47.9 millimeters. Lug width, 22 millimeters. Strap material, alligator leather. Strap color, blue. Strap type, straight. Lug, 22/20 millimeters. Buckle material, stainless steel. Buckle type, tang type. Buckle size, 20 millimeters. Number 3. Breitling Navitimer B01 Swiss Limited Edition. Case size, 41 millimeters. Case material, stainless steel. Case back, open. Strap material, alligator. Strap color, black. Buckle type, folding clasp. Reference, AB01395A1B1P1. Case size, 41 millimeters. Case material, stainless steel. Movement, automatic. Caliber, Breitling manufacturer caliber 01. In-house. Power reserve, 70 hours. Functions, hours, minutes, chronograph, date, small seconds. Water resistance, 30 millimeters /3 bar. A partnership with Swiss to mark the iconic Navitimer's 70th anniversary. The watch is available exclusively on board Swiss in-flight shopping on JFK, EWR, LAX, and HKG routes. Each purchase comes with a certificate that is filled out by hand by the respective pilot. Number 2. Brightling Top Time Due A23311-2A1A1X1. Movement, self-winding mechanical. Power reserve, approximately 48 hours. Chronograph, 1/4 second, 30 minutes. Vibration, 28,800 VPH. Joule, 27 joules. Case material, stainless steel. Case back, snapped. Water resistance, 3 bars. Crown, non-screw locked. 1 gasket. Crystal, convex sapphire crystal. Glare-proofed both sides. Dimensions, product weight, approximately 97 grams. Watch head weight, approximately 86.8 grams. Diameter, 41 millimeters. Thickness, 14.2 millimeters. Height, 51.5 millimeters. Lug width, 20 millimeters. Strap material, calfskin leather. Strap color, brown. Strap type, straight. Lug, 20/18 millimeters. Buckle material, stainless steel. Buckle type, folding clasp / buckle. Size, 18 millimeters. Number 1. Breitling Navitimer Boeing 747 AB01383B1G1P1. Self-winding mechanical. Power reserve, approximately 70 hours. Chronograph, 1/4 second, 30 minutes, 12 hours. Vibration, 28,800 VPH. Joule, 47 joules. Calendar, dial aperture. Case material, stainless steel. Case back, screwed in sapphire crystal. Water resistance, 3 bars. Bezel, bidirectional, slide rule. Crown, non-screw locked, 2 gaskets. Crystal, camber sapphire, glare-proofed both sides. Dimensions, product weight approximately 98 grams. Watch head weight approximately 76 grams. Diameter, 43 millimeters. Thickness, 13.6 millimeters. Height, 49 millimeters. Lug width, 22 millimeters. Strap material, alligator leather. Strap color, black. Strap type, straight. Lug, 22/18 millimeters. Buckle material, stainless steel. Buckle type, folding clasp. Buckle size, 18 millimeters.